Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Alright, we're going to start on this and get it all ground out, do some compound recurves and all that good stuff. Are you ready? Here we go. Welcome back. So I've been working on a bunch of handles with the Knife Talk podcast build off and my kitchen knives and did these handles right here. So I figured I'd make a new design and took an old design, which was this one right here, which, you know, I got big hands and it's a little beefy for me. And I whittled it down to this. Plus I figured it's been a while since I've done any compound recurves. So yeah, let's just get to it. To the bench. Don't know when this video is coming up. I got all my handles and stuff gluing up from the Knife Talk build off and stuff like that. I only got a 2-inch piece, so it's kind of designing a new knife around an old knife. I like this top, how it comes down like that. And this. So we kind of got that. I also want to make this a compound grind. Maybe with a small recurve, but not like the one on this. I don't know about sharpening that. Looks like we're gonna be using this is the best way to learn how to design it. Kind of draw it out. You can refine it once you cut it out. But well, for me, you know, a lot of people design it on paper and stuff, which I do that too. When you have a piece of steel and you want to conform it to that steel, there's many ways to do it. All right, we'll cut that out and then refine it to the bandsaw. There she is, roughed in. Can do well. I'll cut that out a little bit and do it on the small wheel. We'll see. Feels good though. Let's get this all cleaned up and then we'll go over to the horizontal and set it all in. Yep. Feels good. All right, to the horizontal. I had the small wheel on here, so let's just start with that. We'll just get in here and in here. And I guess I should have used the bigger wheel, but I wanted to get that. Boom! Yeah! Little different than we drew, but not too much. I didn't put the big recurve. I got a little bit of a recurve, but that's alright. Alright, let's get to the bevels. Got our double lines kind of thick out there, and we're just gonna cut in here, do a compound grind, and I got a 40 on here, so let's see where we're at. I guess I should kind of have a reference. Like I always say, these are down in the Amazon links. They're just cheap calipers. It's always good to have them. These don't even have a battery in them, just something to mark. I made a scribe like this with like a TIG welding rod, you know. I never even use it because these are just so much simpler. And then I hang the belt over this side when I get over to here, like this. I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll be back for the straights. There's no reason to go back and forth and show the same thing over and over. Or I'll come back on 120, we'll see. 120 and then we'll put the flat platen on and put that in and then drill the holes. All right, let's get to the flat platen. Here's a Warren 50, so let's break these 90s and get a new 50, and then we'll go for it. Boom. Now I just have to refine it to 120 and we're good. Catch you over at the drill or something. I don't know what's next. I got a piece of wood under here. I'm gonna have to move this one when I get over, but I just kind of drew it out. We'll see. I don't know why this, I guess it's that wood. I think I'm gonna flip it around. That's all right. Yeah, see these are nice and tight and even. Oh. Let me go hit this on the ground. As I say, these are nice and even, but I did it. You see how these are need countersink? Let me hit this on the grinder real quick to flatten them. That's more like it. All right. I want to go through here, so I'm gonna put it in the middle so I don't hit my block. That's why I had this wood, because I didn't want to hit that block. Since I'm not doing any chipping on these, I'm not really worried about the end mill. That's why I just put a drill in there. See, this way I can put the lanyard hole here or here. I don't know which one yet. There we go. I got the blade for my frame lock that needs to be heat treated because I had to make a new one of those. But yeah, this should be a fun build. So that's about it. Whew, it was a fun build so far. Next will be heat treating, putting all the clay and stuff and getting the hormones come out and doing the handles. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. Put my website link up in the cards here and the first link down below. Instagram and all that's down in the description. Amazon links are down there. I got knives, I got shirts, all that stuff on my website. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great day. And as always, take it easy.